One of the key tools you're going to use on almost daily basis as a designer are illustrations, and in this video I'm going to show you some different resources where can you get different illustrations, some for free and some premium. Hey designer, Alex here, welcome to the channel, and in this video we're going to talk about illustrations. But before we get started, make sure to check out my membership. Link is going to be down in the description below. Membership contains all of the courses, digital design products, private access to the Facebook group and much more. So if you're interested in content like that, make sure to check it out. Once again, link is going to be down in the description below. Now let's get started and check out some illustrations. So first resource I'm going to show you is this one. So it's Get Illustrations, and it's called Blues Dual Tone, and you can see how it looks like. So basically we have 60 different illustration elements and you can combine them. You can get this free pack with free updates, and you can also get full access to the much bigger pack, basically with a much greater variety of elements. And you can see how these illustrations look like. You can basically combine these different elements and pick and choose, for example, this element from this illustration, put it into this illustration and stuff like that. So you can really combine them. And once again, I'm going to leave the links down in the description below to everything I'm talking about in this video, so you can easily check it out. Next one is called Draw Kit, and we have these great illustrations. You can click right here to download them, and let's see, we have 20 different illustrations and you can see how they look like. So I really think that these are going to be great, especially for your UI UX design work, for headers, for promo sections and stuff like that, or especially if you're creating navigations, so you can animations, so you can easily animate these and put them in your headers, for example, or in your preview sections or stuff like that. So I really like how they look like. Next one, we have Pixel True packs, and these are 500 plus free illustrations and animations updated weekly. So they are free to use for personal and commercial use without attribution, which is great. And you can see how they look like. So we have animated and we have free, and you can always use a static version of these animations, or if you're coding your websites and you're using something like Webflow, you can always integrate these into your design. There are many different styles, as you can see right here, and you can explore all different packs. When you click right there, it's going to take you to all of these different packs, and you can see how they look like with different styles that you can choose from. And I really recommend that you check it out, because as you can see, there are many different illustrations right here. Some of them are free, some of them are paid, so make sure to check that out and to pay attention. Next up, we have Envato Elements, and this is a premium service, and I'm mentioning it in all of my videos because I truly love it and I use it all of the time. You can search right here under graphics. We have illustrations, or you can type in illustration however you want. So for example, from here, let's actually open it up in a new window. Let's go graphics, illustrations, and I'm going to type in a car, for example. And you can see all kinds of different car illustrations in different styles, file formats. And if we click right here, for example, as you can see, this is the style from this particular person, and we have a similar style here, and we have similar style here as well from this particular person. And you can always jump, so max icons, let's see, and you can see all kinds of different illustrations in that similar style, like traveling, backpacking, camping and stuff like that, and they have a lot of them. Or if you want to choose different styles, you can come right here, you can separate them, for example, from objects, so illustrations and objects, and you can see those. Or you can uncheck objects. You can check, for example, let's see, I want Figma files, for example, if I'm using Figma. So you can see you can use all of these in your Figma directly. So that's really easy to separate it. It's really easy to check. And of course, for Adobe XD, you can use Photoshop or Illustrator because they natively integrate, or you can even use sketch files, simply bring them inside. Next up, we have humans, and I forgot to mention, obviously Envato Elements is a premium service. You will have to pay if you want to use it, but you will going to get all of these things that you see on the website right here included in your subscription. Next up, we have humans. So This is really well-known package, and you can use it with Blush or you can download it. So CC0 free for commercial and personal use by Pablo Stanley, which is amazing designer. So you can create your own remix, and basically the whole point of humans pack is to use these humans and to change them and interchange all of these elements. So for example, I want to use this red jacket with the black hair, with white shoes, blue pants and stuff like that. So you can really combine all of these elements, and you can see how they look like here. And finally, Lukasz Adam, I'm really hoping to pronounce that right, so no thanks. He has all of these amazing illustrations, packs and stuff like that. So what you have to do on his website, if you want to, is come right here, I think. So let's create, let me just remind myself how can you actually download it. So you can download free right here. So when you click there, it's going to take you to Gumroad, and this is the free illustration package. You can simply type 0 right here and click I want this, or if you feel generous and you want to donate, and I really recommend that you guys do this, you can simply type in, for example, $1 or $2 or $133, however you want, and simply click I want this and to donate, because as you can see, there are many different illustrations if you're into this sort of style. So there we go. I really like you enjoyed these illustrations, and I want to make more of these videos to help you guys out with different resources from fonts, illustrations, photography and much more. So stay tuned to the channel, because I'm going to upload these on almost weekly basis. I will try to hit the weekly basis, but if not, I will try to upload at least 2 of these per month until I reach basically my limit and show you all of these different resources which I have, which are thousands out there. So if you enjoyed this video and you found it helpful, make sure to press that like button and make sure to subscribe to this channel, because I upload new videos here every single week about Adobe XD, passive income techniques, design and much more. So if you're interested in content like that, make sure to subscribe, and until next time, take care.